Hi everybody, Terry here, welcome back to my channel. Now, I've been asked this many times, how do you make your YouTube videos? Well, I'm about to show you just now how I make them, because I've been asked that to do a tutorial or do a video guideline how I do it, because I've done many YouTube videos over the years, but not a tutorial one. And I've got a video premiere later on at 8 o'clock, so hope you all enjoy that. It's the Hogwarts Steam special from Paddington to Minehead with Rude Ashton Hall and Alton Hall. Well, Alton Hall leading and Rude Ashton Hall as the train locomotive. Then, as far as Bishop's Lydiard, then 7F number 88 takes over Rude Ashton Hall's place as the train goes off to Minehead. So, in Train Sim. So I hope you all enjoy that. So right now, let's get down to the base. Let's get down to business on how I make my YouTube videos. Right now, we are here on Windows Movie Maker. Now this is the software I use for when I make my YouTube videos. So the basic software you get to use is this. It's an easy software to use because it's free. The others you have to pay for, which I can't really afford. So I have to stick with what I got, so which is this. So to make a basic YouTube video, you can add title, caption, or credits or whatnot. But how I do my YouTube videos is basically I usually start it with a normal video, then put a caption on it, and so forth. But since this is a basic tutorial, I'm gonna do this for you all. So for not just for Generate, but for Surviving Through Story. So this is how I do my YouTube videos for Surviving Through Story group and for the website. So here we got to create a title. So let's create a title, shall we? So it's called YouTube Video Making Tutorial. Now, as you can see, the writing is a bit too big, so we're going to put it to the center, like so. Now, as you know, it's a bit too big, so let's make it a bit smaller. Let's reduce the size down a little touch. Make it bold. Reduce the size down. Oh, that's reduced. Making it bigger. And make it a tiny bit big, like that. Now, we've got to choose a font. So, here's a font. Font change the font family. So, we go to basic ones. And as you can see, the list here of basic fonts. So we're going to go for like Constania. Let's go with that. The colours, I'm going to go for a basic red. Let's go with red as for YouTube. So we're going to got YouTube red. So we're going to do that, and we're going to do this. And I'm going to make the outline silver. Now to choose the title entrance, we can do this sort of entrance, or this, which is zoom in, or we've got cinematic burst 1, cinematic burst 2, and basically there's a whole range of them, so let's have a look. We've got all different types, but my favourite is the starburst. It's the cinematic burst 2. Let's go with that. So here we go. Like watching a movie, this is, isn't it? With a bit of style. Now to do that, I'm gonna have to put a video in here on how I do my YouTube videos. So bear with me for a moment. So we're gonna go to Home. So here's the tabs. We've got Home, Animation, Visual Effects. Now visual effects is really good. You can actually do like black and white videos and multicolor videos or something. Got Project, View, Edit and Text tools. So those are your basic tools. You can copy and paste whatever comes next. So let's go to videos. Now as you can, well, if you see or can't see, we've got basic screen captures, videos. Now let's go to videos and go to my train videos, and let's choose either a steam train or basic day out. So let's have a look. Let's go to modern trains, because I know we do like our modern stuff. So let's go with a simple, I don't know, let's go to a class 67 or something. Let's go to one of the 67s, because I know they're the most iconic diesel locomotive I've seen so far. So let's go with one of them. So we've got 67005 Queen's Messenger. Let's go with that one. Now, as you can see, it takes time for it to load up. Now, I think I've been using my phone lately when I was filming trains. I've been using my phone previously once when I was filming trains, so this should do. So let's go. Now, for the animations, we're going to do a crossfade. Crossfade is like what you could basically have your videos enter any way you wish. So in fact, let's go with the crossfade, because that's my favourite, crossfade. As this is a special tutorial, I'm going to do like different styles of video entrances. So here's 67005 Queen's Messenger. Oh, that's a bit loud, isn't it? That's Queen's Messenger. Let's reduce the volume down on the video. So let's reduce it down to about there. So let's have a listen to it again. There, that's more like a basic video with a reduced sound. And there you have it, a diesel going through Kensington Olympia Station. I usually go to this station sometimes to film trains here, especially steam specials, but diesels I like to film too. So I like to film diesels too. So let's go to another let's go to another train, shall we? As a basics of making YouTube videos like this, let's go to about, let's say, modern units. Okay, well, let's go to a modern unit that I filmed before. So I'm going to go with something here at West Ruislip. I filmed trains here. I filmed trains here before while I was waiting for a steam special to come through. So let's go with something like this. I usually film station signs as I'm doing it, so let's go with another. Let's go with a page. Let's go with a page. No, I don't want that. No. I just want the I want the crossfade one on this one. Then on this one, I want a. Let's go with a page. Yeah, that's it. Turning page in a book. There you go. Here comes a train. High speed. That was the wind, which is nice. That's nice. This was when I was waiting for a steam special to come through. So let's try another video with another sort of with a steam train. So let's go with a modern class 455. Let's go with a modern train, because I filmed lots of trains in my heyday. I filmed lots of them, sometimes with my camera, sometimes with my phone. That's what you basically need: a camera or a phone to film your videos. And if you've got a laptop with this type of software, then you're more than lucky to film other types of trains when you film them. So basically, here's the train standing at Queenstown Road. doors shutting, and let's have a look. Let's see what we got. Oops, a daisy. Use the arrows. Let's see what we got here. We've got stars. We got. In fact, let's go with a star entrance. Let's go with that. Yeah, sometimes this malfunctions sometimes. So back in the mode. Right, we're back. So here's what I've been telling you. So let's go back to the video we just saw. There you go. And it's a bit noisy, so let's go and reduce the volume down a little touch. Let's go down to volume. About there. There you go. As the train starts to move. Skip it along a little bit. Yeah, there you go. So that sometimes I usually film trains whenever I feel like it. So I could always do this now as the lockdown is being eased a little bit. I could always go and film trains as long as I'm social distancing from anyone. If it's okay with station staff, if I go do train spotting during this stage of events. It'd be nice to do some train spotting once in a while to film modern day trains, but I pretty much doubt Network Rail would allow that. But if I ask them nicely, maybe they might let me, as long as I'll probably wear a face covering or whatnot. But there you go. So we're finished with the video. So once we're done, so what we're going to do now is add a caption. Add a caption and tap in "Thanks for watching." Now I'm not going to upload this to YouTube now, but the video, as I'm filming this tutorial, I will put the tutorial on YouTube so you can know how to make a basic video. So once you've done that, you get to tap in "Thanks for watching." Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. That's the correct term. Like and subscribe. A basic, simple, like that. That's what I do, basically. And usually I'll put this in a more basic form. Right, here we go. We've got to put my usual creamy colour, the Cortana. Now with fonts you can actually do italics and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the Constania, the red marking, which I like, or I'm going to do the red marking. So basically you could just do different colours, as I just pointed out. And I can use, sometimes I use this, different text entry. And that's how I do it with my YouTube videos. So what I do is File, save movie to computer for high definition, and so on. So that's what I basically do. So I'll be back in a mode to show you how to upload a video to YouTube. So back in a tick. There you have it. That's how you make basic YouTube videos using Windows Movie Maker. I know I could upload how to upload it to YouTube, but obviously my recording isn't all that great. So basically, what you do when you upload to YouTube, you drag and drop a file onto the link on YouTube upload video, and then it'll do the processing, and you just put in the description what you want to put in the description, what type of theme you want to put in, like travels and events, gaming, and so on, etc. And that's how you make basic YouTube videos. You just get yourself a camera, start recording, then transfer the footage to the computer, then you put it in Windows Movie Maker, and that's where all the magic happens. And you could just put your software in, you put your videos in, and then you just pick whichever style of writing you want for it, and you pick which color you want it. It's basically like doing Microsoft PowerPoint or presentation sort of thing. It's like doing that, but making videos. Movie makers, movie editors, video editing software, you get all sorts of stuff like that. That's the basic industry, of our video industry. And if you really want to have a go at making sorts of videos for YouTube, get yourself onto YouTube, start making videos, and get more subscribers, as I'm trying to right now during this pandemic time. So I'm hoping that all of our steam engines, they'll be working again some point when all this is over, and we can finally get back to normal as we all possibly can, running steam engines or running our own daily lives. So that's all from me, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.